Hello everyone! YouTube today is one of the most effective channels when it comes to marketing. Its 2 billion unique users along with 31 million different channels makes it so expendable. A whopping 500 hours worth of content is uploaded on YouTube every minute. So if you are a marketer or a creator who runs a YouTube channel, you definitely need to track all your channel metrics. Today we will learn how we can create and automate your YouTube channel reporting right inside a sheet using Stackby. First, we will go to Stackby and connect to the YouTube Analytics API. Click on Analytics. We have already connected it to the YouTube API, but here is how we can do it. Click on the Add Your API key. Log in with Google and authorize the account. Once we authorize the account, we can name the connection. Let us call it YouTube Analytics API, save it and add the API key. Now we will go back to the dashboard. Here we have already created a YouTube channel reporting stack. Click on it. Here we will be needing a channel ID from YouTube. Go to the YouTube channel. Just select this part from the URL, copy the channel ID and paste it here. Here we have already pasted the required channel IDs. Now we will learn how to do a weekly reporting of a YouTube channel. Enter the start and end dates. Connect this to an API. Select YouTube Analytics. Select the API key, which is the YouTube Analytics API key. Select the service, which is Get a Channel Report by Channel ID. Select the IDs column for reference, which is the channel ID, then the start dates and the end dates. Apply it. This will bring in the required data. For real-time information, refresh the data. This will bring in all the reporting information in real time. Now that all the required data has populated the columns, click on the Data Explorer. Here we will see all the data of that particular week, like views, comments, likes, dislikes, shares, how many estimated minutes watched. There are over 26 different types of reporting metrics that we can see. Here we will select two columns, views and read views. Create these two columns. We already have some other columns which have been created beforehand. We can see that there is a general reporting view where we can see how many total minutes have been watched on the channel, the total views, the number of read views, likes, dislikes, comments, and shares. We can create separate views for each of the categories within our reporting stacks. For instance, if we want to see how many subscribers we have gained week by week and how many subscribers we have lost, we can see it here. We can also see how the views are performing in the terms of duration. Here we can see how many total minutes have been watched, the average view duration, and the average view percentage. This makes it really easy for us to track how the content has been performing in terms of the views and users. We can also view how our cards are performing on YouTube. Here we can see the number of card impressions, number of card clicks, number of card teaser impressions, and the number of the card teaser clicks. These numbers tell us that we need to increase our numbers and put the cards at strategic locations in the videos. Same way we can see how many videos have been added to the playlist and how many videos have been removed from the playlist. This is the most detailed channel report one can find, and we can build it in less than 5 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Go to Stackby and put your YouTube channel reporting on autopilot while you focus on creating awesome videos for your audience. You can also track your individual video reports as well and manage your complete video production in a single place. We've added the link for that video in the description. Try it out for free. Like, share, and subscribe to the Stackby channel for more use case videos.